It's Crypto Vlog, guys. In today's video, LBRETT. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
And before we start, guys, I just want to let you know that I'm not your financial advisor and that you should make your own decisions before investing into a project. What if the future of meme coins wasn't just hype, but actual blockchain technology? Imagine combining the fun and energy of meme culture with the raw power of Ethereum's Layer 2. That's exactly what LBRETT is doing. This project isn't just a token, it's a movement. It's built for speed, scalability, staking rewards, and most importantly, it's built around the community. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what makes LBRETT stand out, why the presale is such a big opportunity, and of course, a step-by-step how to buy guide so you don't miss your chance. LBRETT introduces itself with personality. It's not trying to be just another copy-paste token, it's branding itself as where memes meet mechanism. Here's the essence: Ethereum Layer 2 Foundation. That means faster, cheaper, scalable blockchain activity. Transactions happen instantly with almost zero fees. Seamless interoperability. You can move assets across chains with ease. LBRETT isn't just a closed loop, it's a gateway. Community-driven governance. Decisions won't be made by central authority. Holders will actually shape the direction of the ecosystem. Programmability and smart contracts, meaning developers can create the apps, tools, and experiences directly inside the LBRETT ecosystem. It's fun, it's bold, but it's also built with real blockchain mechanics. And let's get into the token and how it's distributed. Symbol Cash LBRETT. Chain Ethereum ERC20. Contract address is over here, and always double check on the official website. Supply 10 billion tokens. Starting price $0.004. Right now the pre-sale price is 0.005, with the next increase set at 0.0053. Over 1.58 million USDT has already been raised, showing strong demand and early adoption. And let's see tokenomics distribution. 30% pre-sale, ensuring early adopters get in at the ground floor. 25% staking rewards, massive incentive for long-term holders to stake and grow. 15% ecosystem development, fueling the apps, tools, and future upgrades. 10% exchange listings, liquidity, and accessibility on major platforms. 8% marketing, spreading the LBRETT movement globally. 5% foundation and reserve for stability and long-term sustainability. 3.5% community rewards, engaging and rewarding the active community. 2.5% team, a fair share for the builders. And 1% charity and impact, giving back and making a difference. This balanced distribution shows commitment to growth, rewards, and sustainability, making sure both the community and the ecosystem thrive together. And guys, this is one of the biggest selling points. With LBRETT, you don't just hold, you can stake directly from the presale purchase. Here is the kicker. Staking rewards go as high as 1,600% APY. That's insane. Instead of letting your tokens sit idle, you can immediately put them to work and multiply your holdings while ecosystem grows. It's literally buy, stake, and chill. Now here is something important. Presale buyers don't just get in cheaper, they get unique bonuses too. By joining early, you unlock the lowest possible entry price before listings, extra staking multipliers, boosting your early APY compared to latecomers, early governance rights, giving you a stronger voice as the ecosystem forms, access to exclusive community perks reserved only for presale participants. So it's not just about paying less, it's about starting with more advantages and influence than anyone who come later. And let's not forget about security, because trust is everything in crypto. LBRETT has already completed a CoinSold smart contract audit, which you can check directly on their site or at the CoinSold audit page. This means the code has been reviewed for vulnerabilities, ensuring the contract is secure and transparent. Having an official audit gives investors extra confidence that LBRETT isn't just another risky meme coin. It's a project backed by verified smart contract integrity. And let's be real, most meme coins launch with hype and community but zero real mechanics. LBRETT flips the script. Ultra fast layer 2 transactions, no more waiting minutes for confirmation. Low fees, Ethereum level security without Ethereum level gas costs. Security and trust, audited smart contracts giving investors peace of mind. Built for mass adoption, the infrastructure isn't just for laughs, it's ready to handle serious traffic. So yes, it's fun and community driven, but it's also secure, scalable and future-proof. Now let's talk pre-sale. Early adopters benefit from lowest entry price before listings. Exclusive staking bonus from day one, ownership in governance once full ecosystem governance rolls out. And here is something cool. The site even has a pump calculator. You can literally slide the bar and see what your investment would be worth if LBRETT hits certain price levels. Starting from 0.004 and imagining $1. That's a real moonshot vision right there. This transparency shows exactly why getting in early matters. Early stage, the price goes up, and once it hits exchanges, the potential multiplies. The roadmap is clear, step by step. Phase 1, community uprising, grow socials, creative marketing, community leaders, and early pre-sale stages. Phase 2, the genesis, launch website, kick off pre-sale, bring in early believers. Phase 3, the breakthrough, finalize pre-sale, reach 50,000 plus members, ramp up exposure. Phase 4, breadth unchained, token launch, ecosystem goes live, governance, utilities, and partnerships. And Phase 5, infinite future, upgrades, cross-chain integrations, and full community-driven governance. So the vibe is this. It starts as a meme movement, grows into layer 2 ecosystem, and evolves into something the community truly controls. So here is the practical guide if you want in. Go to LBRETT.com and click Buy Now. Use a wallet like MetaMask. Load it with Ethereum or USDT, or even use your debit or credit card. Pick your currency, Ethereum, USDT, or card. Enter the amount you want to spend. The site automatically shows how many LBRETT tokens you'll receive. Choose whether to just buy or buy and stake instantly. If you want to earn that crazy APY right away, hit buy and stake. Confirm the transaction in your wallet and remember to leave some Ethereum for gas. And that's it. You're officially part of LBRETT. So here is the bottom line. LBRETT isn't just another token floating in the sea of meme coins. It's building a layer 2 blockchain with speed, staking, governance, and scalability. Add to that the pre-sale pricing, the pump calculator, the insane staking rewards, the exclusive pre-sale bonuses, the tokenomics distribution, and the audit-backed security. And you've got a project with both hype and substance. If you want to join, head over to LBRETT.com and secure your spot in the pre-sale before the next price jump. And as always, do your own research, stay safe, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. But if you've been waiting for a meme project that actually brings real tech and real rewards, LBRETT might just be the one. To stay in the loop and connect with other believers, make sure to join the official channels. On Telegram, get instant updates, chat directly with the community, and never miss on announcements. On the X, follow for news, memes, partnerships, and real-time updates straight from the team. These are the hubs where the movement is growing, where announcements drop first, and where you'll feel the full energy of LBRETT community. So make sure you're plugged in and following both. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you find this video informative and entertaining. Don't forget to share this video, subscribe to this channel, like it, and put notification on. Join this amazing project called LBRETT and check all of these informations just for yourself. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.